Okay, Assalamualaikum. So pagi ni saya tee off di Club Golf Kuala Kangsar. Ada 9 hole. So hari ni saya main 9 hole. So satu benda yang baru saya today, and first time saya akan main dengan my son Arif. So they will be our first tee off together, and I choose to tee off di Club Golf Kuala Kangsar. Can't wait to play 9 hole today. Very rustic look, sama macam Kuala Kubur Baru, tapi nampaknya kat club ni quite aktif. Bagus. So hari ni saya bawa satu bag saja, tapi isi sepasang semua benda, driver, iron. This is our buggy. I think this buggy is, yes, it's a diesel buggy. It's a small cafe dekat dengan hole 1, and this is hole 10, par 4. Gila klasik, bagi diesel, bagi minyak. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Yang tadi hole 1, I think that's the driving range. Boleh lah nak layan.
This is hole 2, par 3. Should be an easy shot from here. Give it a nice approach. We'll see from the shot. Practice swing as we go. Silence in the court. Ooh, it swings a little bit right and it's out.
Hole 3, also hole 12 because they only ada 9 hole, so they sharing. So ada tempat berteduh. That's the green for hole 2. Ni tee box untuk hole 3. So dah 2 hole. I can't find the golf course on my golf shot, so manually lah today. So saya dah 2 bogey first 2 hole. Green dia agak mencabar sikit, tapi yalah, we just come here for fun and enjoying my first tee golf session with my son. Hole 3, par 4. Arif sekarang ni tengah aim for par, his first par.
Oh!
Too much.
This is hole 4, par 4. Shall we get a practice swing in? I don't think so. We stay quiet for a shot. Bang! Wow. That is a shot.
Yeah, somebody bounce in right. Green hole 4. Memang pendekatan jalan, so tak boleh nak over swing. Boleh nampak motor jalan kat jalan utama ni. So ada rumah on the left side, and also rumah on the left side.
This is hole 5, par 5. Shall we see how he hits this? Ooh. Ooh, that's a little bit to the left and hit the trees.
Yes, still ke kanan. Yeah, yeah. Hole 5, Ada kedai makan ayam gepuk kat luar tu. And again sebelah jalan. Dan belakang ni jalan tadi. So it's very narrow course. So kena apa, betul-betul pukul straight atau direct to the your aim lah.
This is hole 6 par 3. Ooh, it went a little bit to the left, but it's still in the fairway. I think it's in the rough. That's an alright shot.
Yes. Okay, on video. Yes. Tapi takut masuk longkang. Stop. Nanti cari . Allah. Oh, gone. The last hole of today. Very narrow to the right. So Ari tak pukul. Takut bola ke kanan. So sebenarnya ada kedai makan. So we're gonna bawa ayam gepuk. Dan sebelah T-box 9 ni T-box 5. And that's the hole kita last main tadi. Hole number 8. That's the green for hole 9 beside the clubhouse. That's the clubhouse tadi when we tee off for hole 1. Quite a challenging course, quite a narrow course. So kalau terkanan memang bahaya. Okay, we enjoy our game.